So remember under Texas law that the presumption is the entirety of the assets of the spouses. So take a snapshot and the entirety of those assets, whatever they may be, is presumed to be community property, community income, community property. So in order for that in order to challenge that, you have to meet that burden by clear and convincing evidence, which is our highest civil burden of proof. And that generally means forensic accounting, detailed, meticulous, painstaking, and costly going through financial records to reconstruct where the separate property went and how it didn't get commingled, or if it did. You might be looking at years worth of bank statements, years of income tax statements, what have you. It can be very difficult to meet that clear and convincing burden. And just so you have an idea of what that is, and in our justice system, we have 5 burdens of proof. Everybody knows the highest one, the criminal burden of proof, is beyond all reasonable doubt. Well, just below that is clear and convincing evidence. And that's the kind of evidence that must be put forth, for example, in a civil case where the state and CPS are taking away children from a parent. It is a very high burden of proof and something to be considered when you're looking at that. There's an old saying, a stitch in time saves 9. Doing some things on the front end, putting that money in an interest or income sweeping account with a financial advisor, not commingling the money with a joint checking account, getting premarital or postmarital agreements to characterize property as separate property, and then best of all, just, keeping accurate, reliable records. And that's difficult because everybody's busy in their lives and their professions, raising their children, what have you, and we start moving fast. But it's something that needs to be thought about in order to protect these assets, because trying to defend them on the back end can be costly and burdensome. Anyway, I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment in the section below or send me a direct message, and I'll either make them the subject of a subsequent video series or I'll reply to you directly. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again for watching. I hope that you find these positive, uplifting, and helpful. That's exactly what they're intended to be. And have a wonderful day.